Welcome everyone to the Techlog YouTube channel. For this video of Techlog, I will be showing you how you can recover the Roblox account password. So for that, open the application at first. Once you're at the home page of Roblox, you need to tap on login. Here on the login page, what you have to do is you need to tap on forgot password or username. You tap that option, it will direct you to this link over here. In Roblox, you can recover your username and password both. So we're gonna go with the process of recovering the password for this video. For that, what you need to do is you will need to provide few details. So here are two options, either by the phone or either email address. We're gonna go with the email process for the recovery. So tap on use email to reset password. So here you need to provide your email address. The email address must be the same that you have used for the account creation. Then tap on submit. Here you need to go through some verification. Tap on verify. Complete the verification process. An email with instruction has been sent to you if the email was previously saved on your account. So you need to go and check your mail. So there's the Roblox mail on the top, tap that. Here on the mail, you need to tap on reset password. Once you tap that, you will be able to provide the new password. Type in the new password over here. Retype the same password on the below text box. The password must be same, otherwise the process will not be completed. Once the password is done, you tap on submit. And with that, the password reset process is completed. With this, you have successfully recovered your Roblox account password. Hope this video was useful on how to recover the Roblox account password. Please like and subscribe the Techlog YouTube channel. Thank you for watching till the very end.